Good morning, everyone. It's been a while since I've been on here and showing you a project that I thought of. I have been working since January on this junk journal devotional book. I had a devotional book, a little one, that got messed up a little bit. Someone drew on it when they got mad at me, and so I wanted to save that little book, but it was all drew on except for the little verse names of the book with the verses. And so I cut all those out and threw that little devotional book away, and I decided to make a junk journal devotional. And I say junk journal not because I completely follow the rules on using all junk in here. A lot of it was just papers I already had, and stickers I found. I did find them from Hobby Lobby, so not all of it's junk. A lot of it's from Dollar Tree that I found the papers from, but I already had most of the papers. I did have to buy more calendar pictures though that I wanted to use in this book because I actually ran out of Dollar Tree calendars. I had so many of them too, but this took a lot of them. So that's good that I was able to finally use them. I found this calendar page that said "Be Fearless," and it just fits my book completely. So here we go. I'm going to show you what I've done so far. It's not done, but it's just going to take a while. It's not going to be done anytime soon because I've been working on this book little by little. So I'm just taking my time, and that's okay. I found this little paper. I'm not sure where it's from. My mom had it, and I just decided that would look good right there. And here's one of the stickers I found in a sticker packet of scripture, and it was just perfect for this book. I mean, I used almost all the stickers in that packet. And here's some of the little verse names I put on there already. Some of these papers come from a paper packet, and they were just scraps that I had saved from doing other projects. I tried to use all the scraps I could before I got a new paper out of the paper packet. The paper packet comes from Joann Fabrics, and there's also, you can see, those wallpaper that you can get from Dollar Tree, and I loved this one. Not sure where I'm going to put there yet. I am going to be putting quotes from C.S. Lewis in parts of these papers. I also want to put washi tape on the edges, certain edges. And I have plenty of washi tape. I'll show you the washi tape after we're done looking at this book. And then I'm also going to stick little notepads on here to just for taking notes or adding my thoughts or just writing whatever I want down on here. It might go right here. I think that'd look good. I just have to kind of figure out where the best pads of papers will fit on whatever spots on the sides. I just kind of randomly put this together. papers do not match each other at all. I just stuck them together. I did a little bit of matching, like the sunflowers together. I tried to put some fall papers with the pretty pictures that kind of fit the colors or the theme. But it's mostly just random. I've really enjoyed working on this. This has been relaxing. And it's a book you can go through over and over again. I've been using Elmer's stick glue to stick the papers on. And you can actually find the smelly glue, and it would make the book smell good. You can also stick, like, you can find those perfumes that roll on and stick perfume on in certain papers. Or essential oils. You can rub on some oils that make it smell good. That'd be so relaxing to smell and read. I don't remember where I got this little card from, but it was perfect for that paper. I love rusticy and outdoorsy and sunflowers stuff. I love vintage looking buildings. I'm just putting everything I love seeing in this. Some of the creases in the middle would look good with washi tape on it to kind of hide the fact that some of it tore and doesn't, it shows like the paper underneath a little bit. I'm almost done with this book. I guess, sort of. The majority of the decorating is done. I'm just going to be sticking on the Bible verses on certain spots in the book, and I'll probably have like only 3 to 4 of those on there, and then I'm going to add a little notepad for notes, and then I'm going to add washi tape around certain places. But that's really all I have left to do on here. Who knows how long it will take? I'm not in any hurry. I'm just doing this for when I have a little extra time and when I feel like relaxing and just doing a paper project. course, pretty soon I'm going to be getting busy again because my daughter's graduating and we're having a party over here for her. And also I'll be working on crafts for VBS. That's going to be a lot of fun. I love doing that. It's a lot of fun to work on. VBS isn't until June at our church, but we like starting early and getting all the crafts organized and all the stuff bought for it that needs bought. Getting it all set up. I take this to work, and when I have downtime and I don't have a lot to do anymore, then I work on this a little bit before I go to my next chore. Kind of keeps me awake because I now work overnight at a school, residential school. I quit bus driving in January because it was really bothering my back. My back had enough of all the bumps and driving around, just plain driving around was just wearing me out. So I decided to find a different profession. And the schedule where I'm working overnights, it's working better for my sister, who I take care of also. And my daughter just sleeps here while I'm at work, and then my sister has someone here in case she needs someone. It's working great until my daughter moves away and goes to college, and we'll have to find another option. This book, and I might find more to do to it than just what I told you I was going to do. I mean, you just never know. God puts little hints in your head on what would make it, better, because He knows what you need. You can even make a prayer journal. That would be cool. Or just an inspirational quote book. I'm thinking this would be great for someone who has anxiety, who just needs to look at pretty pictures and read quotes or read scripture to help them relax. I have some anxiety, and this would help me. And of course, I would add more smell to it. So I would probably put some essential oils, something that smells really good and is relaxing. And some of the glue I had that is Elmer's glue has some scent to it too, mostly fruit smells. That smells really good too. But there's so much you can do. And this is the end of the book. Put a sticker there. I stuck a sticker on the back. I'm going to show you the washi tape. Forgive me for this jumbled mess, but it fell and the lid popped off. These are little Dollar Tree butter dishes that I saw another YouTuber advertise and, gave us the idea to put other things in it. I thought it was a wonderful idea, but the top does pop off if it falls. So this is some of my washi tape. Very cute. Here's some more washi tape. And some more washi tape. And I am going, because this washi tape at times doesn't stick down very well, I am going to actually glue on the spot that I'm going to put it, so it makes sure it fastens down and stays fastened down. You can also use like Mod Podge and like completely cover the page of Mod Podge. With Mod Podge, and that would work too. Whatever you decide to do, because it would fasten everything down, except for like the thick papers maybe. That's why I used so many calendar pages that were from the Dollar Tree, because they're extra thin, and it just makes pasting them down so much easier. So that's my washi tape. And then I have these little notepads that I'm going to add to the book so I can write things down whenever they come to my head. I love this. This is so pretty. I love the little mushrooms. I might have to like stick some glue on the top to keep them fastened together. And then I have strawberry ones. So pretty. And then a smaller one with leaves. But that's pretty much what I have for little notebook pieces. And I have like a stash of those, those notebook sets you can get from the Dollar Tree. I have a stash of those. And if I get bored with these, or if I run out, I can always get into that stash. There's so many. I'll have to show you sometime my whole collection of notepad sets. And I use them for work. I use them for keeping track of times that my sister goes to her day group and comes back. I keep a set in my purse to write down things I want to do at the bank. So I will just kind of write out what I want on the pad of paper, and I'll send that piece of paper with my bank card, and it just tells the teller what I want without me having to say everything over the speaker, because sometimes you can't hear very well, and like they can't hear us very well because of our engines running, and sometimes you have to repeat yourself over and over again for them to hear you correctly. And then sometimes you have to like put your give them your last 4 digits of your social, and you don't want to yell that. You want to like just give it to them privately. And I guess I could go in the bank, but I like going through drive-through. It makes it faster, and I can just put all the numbers down that I need to on these little notepads and send them in that way. So it works really nice to have these little pads of paper. And that's my the end of my rave for those. Thank you for watching and listening to me. I hope you're inspired to make one of these books. It's so much fun. It's so relaxing. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful Mother's Day if you're a mother. And see you next time.